Alright guys, someone is in trouble right now. Jelly's in trouble right now. Look at this guy. His face was filled with dirt, but look at his paws right here. I caught you red-handed again. This is the second time today, Jelly. So what he been doing is he's been digging in the backyard again. Right, Rock? Can't believe it. The rest of the Jelly Bean gang is outside. They want to get back inside. And here's new Ruby. Called Jelly in. Gotta teach him a lesson, right? You shouldn't be digging in the backyard. Look at you guys. You'd all muddied up. And guys, I gotta pick him up. Guys, look at this. Look at the backyard. On the right side, all the way that side right there is pretty banged up too. Look at that. Bean, I caught Jelly. Jelly's been digging there today, but I don't know about the rest. Ruby and Rock. Ooh. Ruby and Rock, they don't dig in the backyard. But the reason why this summer, last summer, and now they've been digging in the backyard is because there's some type of rodent, is like a mouse or something underground. I don't know what they're called, like a mole maybe. So they're burrowing under the ground, and you know, the jelly beans, they can hear whatever that is underneath the ground. So what they've been trying to do is dig it out, and in the process of doing that, you guys are messing up the whole backyard. Ruby, what are you doing? Alright, Jelly? No more digging. Oh gosh, Rock. Rock, okay? Jelly, you hear me? Jelly, no more digging. Alright? Look at that. Oh God. Now I gotta clean up Jelly and let the rest of the Jelly Bean in. Rock, Ruby, stop. Alright. Okay. No more digging, Jelly, you hear me? No more digging. Alright, let's clean him up. Look at that. That's Bean. He's we have to clean the windows pretty often. He always scratches it trying to get in. Alright, I'll let you guys in. But first, we gotta clean up this boy right here, Jelly. Alright, Jelly, let's go. Bye, Ruby. Nuna and Bean. Alright. Let's clean you up.